Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out at this home. We were over there yesterday, and the homeowner came out and said, it was kind of funny. He's like, my son wanted to make some money, and so I had him pressure wash the sidewalk. Well, evidently he didn't like that. It was too much work. So he's like, how much would it cost just to finish this one little area? And I'm like, oh, that wouldn't be that much. But this is the issue you're going to have with the area that was done with a wand and no pre-treat or post-treat versus what we're going to do with this, where we're going to pre-treat it, we're going to scrub it, we're going to post-treat it. When you use a wand, you have a pendulum motion because the wand goes like this. And as you get closer to the surface, you get more clean. As you get away from the surface, you get less clean. And so when it dirties up, it looks great now, but when it dirties up, it's tending to want to stripe up. And it's hard to see, but you can see some of the striping, especially when this is here. You see a striping right here where this area that was pressure washed a couple of years ago is cleaner than this area. Now, when this was clean, it looked perfect all the way across, but because that one area is a little bit dirtier than the other area, as it dirties up, it attracts to the dirty area first, and the dirty area just gets dirtier, and the clean area gets dirty, so it makes it look, and that's where your striping comes from. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this properly, and we're going to go over this quickly, cost for just a little bit more, because this isn't going to cost any much me in time. I'm going to go one pass. I'm going to pre-treat with a light mix, post-treat with a light mix, and make sure that this area right here will match this area when it dirties up, and it's not going to be light dirty and striped dirty here, so it'll actually blend everything in. So you have to explain that to folks. You also have to let people know, do not use red tips on anything at all, because that can actually physically permanently etch the concrete. There's a couple areas where it looks like there is some etching, but it shouldn't be too bad. So we're going to take care of this, folks, today and get them looking good on all the way around and go to the next 10 more TLC pressure washing. This is interesting. This is very interesting. The difference in cleanliness really shows up when it's wet. Can you see the little hash marks, the little dark marks in the concrete? Here, 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 and like this one right here, right there. And right there, and right there, and right there, there. And you can see it through here. You can really see a lot of streaking here, and here, and here, and here, and here. All these streaks are where it's not quite as dirty, not quite as clean as other areas around it. So it looks great when it's dry, but when you wet it, you can actually see where it's going to dirty up quicker. And that's where your striping comes in. There's already striping when it's wet, but as it dirties up, those dirtier areas will stripe up really badly. So we're going to fix that for this homeowner and get it taken care of. 10 more TLC pressure washing.